this video for iMovie is on how to add in your own audio recordings that you do within iMovie, actually within your movie. So it's essentially like a voiceover. So I still have some stuff set up from the last one, but I'm going to move this over here. And so in iMovie, what you're going to do is you're going to click this little microphone right here. Now, you can easily collect your recording through the microphone just in your computer. Obviously be wary about any outside noises because Macs do have pretty good, well, mine's Mac. Macs have a pretty good microphone system in the sense that, excuse me, they pick up everything. So there are a couple things to remember. So first is when you want to start it. So there's a couple different ways you can do this because if you like set your cursor right here and then click record, it's going to just record, and then keep recording until you push stop. And then you could like potentially then later edit it down and then move it where you want. Or if you want to actually record over footage that you have, we're gonna go ahead and 3, 2, 1. Hey, bada, 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 bada. All right. And then, yeah, because I'm so nice to myself. All right. So then, bada, 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 bada. Yeah, so that's how you add audio on top of video, and same as before, it's attached to the video here. So if you want to put it somewhere else, you can move it, but otherwise it is attached to this piece of content exactly where you leave it. All right, see you on the next one.